Hi viewers, I am Dr. Sajni Velanathan from Pathanamthitta District Hospital situated at Korancheri. Today I am here with you to share how to handle toddlers psychologically during COVID-19 situation. Children are restricted to go out will deprive them from socialization. They are not attending any functions or not meeting any relatives. So, please engage them in some activities rather than making them sit in front of TV, mobile phones, and laptops. Please take them and show them the nature, the butterflies, the birds, the animals will be very interesting for them. If you have animals at home, showing them and introducing them different sounds of animals like bow bow, quack quack will help them to socialize with animals. Usually, people restrict children from playing in sand. Make sure that they wash their hands after playing in sand. You can make a small play sandpit for them with fine and clean sand if you are very conscious about hygiene. You can take them for a ride if you have a backyard. At the same time, you can make them do simple jobs by telling them bring something for you or planting something or assisting you in some activities. You can also play indoor games like throwing balls to and fro or riding cars, toy cars to and fro, or telling them stories and showing them pictures will be very interesting for them. You can teach them the names of vegetables, fruits, animals, birds, etc. Will give them more information. Please take care of their physical health by giving them balanced diet and proper sleep. Times the grandparents, relatives, or caretakers will be taking care of your children when you are away from home. So make them uh, make them aware that they should engage them in activities so that they will not get bored. Nowadays, children are asking their papa and mama that why they are not taking them out. So, please spend time with them, make them aware about the current situation, also help them to cope up with the current situation and boredom. The newborn babies uh, born during COVID 19 are not aware about going out at all. So, please engage them and connect them with the nature. Take care of your babies and bye bye.